Welcome. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos and to support the channel. There's always more to explore in the universe. A strange signal has just arrived from the depths of space, an anomaly so bizarre that it defies everything we thought we knew about time itself. At first, astronomers believed it was a simple data error, a miscalculation in their instruments. But as they analyzed the strange readings, a terrifying possibility emerged. Somewhere in the vast darkness, a planet exists where time doesn't move forward. It moves backward. Imagine stepping onto its surface. With every second that passes, the past becomes the future, and the future fades into history. Your footsteps rewind themselves, your heartbeat plays in reverse, and even light bends in ways that should be impossible. How could such a place exist? And what happens if we ever set foot on a world where the laws of time are shattered? The answer may lie in the deepest mysteries of physics. Scientists have long theorized about the strange effects of extreme gravity, warped spacetime, and regions of the universe where time slows, stops, or even reverses. But never before has there been evidence of an entire planet caught in this paradox, a world where the arrow of time itself is broken. The first hints of this discovery came from a distant star system, thousands of light years away. Astronomers noticed something unusual, an exoplanet orbiting its star in a way that made no sense. Unlike normal planets, which follow predictable orbits governed by gravity, this world seemed to shift unpredictably, almost as if it was slipping through time rather than space. Even stranger, telescopes scanning its surface picked up distorted light signatures, patterns that matched no known planet in the universe. Then came the final, undeniable clue. Observations from powerful radio telescopes detected something impossible, a signal coming from the planet that appeared to be playing in reverse. It was as if an entire civilization had left a message for the cosmos, only for it to be scrambled by the strange flow of time. Was this planet once home to intelligent life? Or is it still inhabited by beings experiencing time in a way we can't even comprehend? The implications are staggering. If time can flow backward under the right conditions, does that mean the past is not truly lost? Could a journey to such a world allow us to glimpse history unfolding in real time, or even rewrite the events of the universe itself? But with every new discovery comes an even greater danger. If we were to travel to this planet, would we be able to return? Or would we become trapped in a timeline where every decision, every movement, every breath is unmade the moment it happens? Scientists are now racing to uncover the truth before it's too late. Because if this world exists, then the fundamental nature of time is not what we once believed. And that could change everything. For centuries, humanity has been obsessed with time, how it moves, how it shapes our existence, and whether it can ever be controlled. Theories of time travel have captivated scientists and storytellers alike, from Einstein's groundbreaking work on relativity to the mind-bending paradoxes of science fiction. But no one ever imagined we'd find a place where time itself flows, in reverse. The search for exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system, has been one of the most exciting frontiers in modern astronomy. With the launch of the Kepler Space Telescope in 2009, and later the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists have discovered thousands of alien worlds, each more mysterious than the last. But this latest discovery is unlike anything before. Leading teams from NASA, the European Space Agency, and observatories around the world have been using cutting-edge technology to analyze strange anomalies in deep space. When astronomers first detected the bizarre motion of this planet, they thought it might be a glitch, a mere distortion in their data. But as the evidence piled up, a chilling realization set in. This was real, and it might rewrite the very laws of physics as we know them. Could this planet hold the key to understanding the nature of time itself? And if so, what secrets are waiting to be uncovered? The discovery began, like so many others, with a flicker of light in the vast darkness. Astronomers using the James Webb Space Telescope had been scanning a distant star system when they noticed something off. A planet, locked in an orbit. That shouldn't be possible, seemed to be behaving strangely. It wasn't just moving, it was shifting, as if it were slipping through time itself. Determined to uncover the truth, A team of scientists at NASA and the European Southern Observatory focused their most advanced instruments on the anomaly. Weeks turned into months as they studied its motion, its atmosphere, and the bizarre way it interacted with its star. But nothing could prepare them for what happened next. A deep space probe, launched years earlier to study distant exoplanets, happened to be passing near the system. As it adjusted course for a closer look, something unexpected occurred. The probe's internal clock, precise to the nanosecond, began running backward. At first, Mission Control thought it was a malfunction, a failure in the software. But then, the images arrived. What they saw defied all logic. The planet's surface appeared to be in constant flux, as if events were playing out in reverse. Storms unraveled instead of forming, rivers flowed backward into their sources, and even the light from its sun seemed to bend in ways that should be impossible. The probe's data logs showed readings that no known model of physics could explain. Had it truly stumbled upon a place where time moved in reverse? Then, just as the probe prepared to send its final transmission, something even stranger happened. A signal, faint, distorted, and ancient, began transmitting from the planet. But when scientists decoded it, they realized the truth was far more terrifying than they ever imagined. Because whatever was sending that message had already seen us coming. Just as scientists were beginning to piece together the mystery of the time-warped planet, disaster struck. The deep space probe, which had been transmitting invaluable data, suddenly went silent. At first, Mission Control believed it was a simple signal dropout, common when dealing with vast interstellar distances. But when they checked the probe's last transmitted coordinates, they found something chilling. Its trajectory had changed. Not gradually, as expected, but instantaneously, as if it had been pulled, no, yanked, by an unseen force. The probe was no longer where it should have been. Worse, its onboard atomic clock, which had been mysteriously running in reverse, had reset itself entirely. It was as if the probe had never launched in the first place. Panic set in at Mission Control. Had the probe fallen into some kind of time loop? Had it been erased from existence altogether? Every second without communication was a second lost in an unfolding cosmic mystery that defied human understanding. But then, just when hope seemed lost, the data stream returned. Only this time, it wasn't coming from where they expected. The signal wasn't just from the probe, it was from the planet itself. And it wasn't a distress call, it was a transmission, encoded in a pattern eerily similar to the first radio signals sent from Earth over a century ago. Someone, or something, was responding. But the real question was, had they already met us before? As scientists decoded the mysterious transmission, they realized they were staring at something unprecedented, data that seemed to describe the very nature of time itself. The signal contained a repeating pattern, almost like a cosmic fingerprint, hinting at an environment where time wasn't a fixed, forward-moving force, but something fluid, something reversible. The discovery was mind-blowing. This planet wasn't just a world where time moved backward. It was a place where time itself could be rewritten. If confirmed, this would shatter our understanding of physics. Einstein's theory of relativity had already shown that time can slow down under extreme gravity, but a complete reversal? That was something else entirely. Could the strange conditions on this planet be the result of an intense gravitational anomaly like the event horizon of a black hole? Or was this planet operating under laws of physics that we had yet to discover? Beyond the theoretical implications, the findings could change the future of space travel. If scientists could understand and harness whatever force was at play here, it could open the door to mind-bending possibilities, time manipulation, new methods of interstellar travel, even glimpses into the past. But with every answer came more questions. Was this effect localized to the planet itself? Could something or someone be responsible for it? And most importantly, if we sent a crewed mission, would they ever be able to return? This discovery is only the beginning. Scientists are already debating the next steps. Should we send another probe or even a crewed mission to study this bizarre planet up close? If time truly flows in reverse there, could astronauts witness The past unfolding before their eyes? Could they, in theory, send messages back to us before they even arrive? The implications for space travel are staggering. If we can understand how this anomaly works, it might lead to breakthroughs in faster-than-light travel or even time manipulation. Could we one day harness this effect to revisit lost moments in history? Or is this planet proof that time is not as rigid as we once believed? But with great discovery comes great risk. What if stepping onto this world means becoming trapped in its reversed timeline, unable to return? Could this be why the first probe disappeared? And then there's the most unsettling question of all. If something on this planet is capable of transmitting signals in reverse, does that mean it has already seen our future? For now, we are left with more questions than answers. But one thing is certain. This is not just another exoplanet. This is a world that defies time itself. And whatever secrets it holds are waiting to be uncovered. The discovery of a planet where time moves backward challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. It forces us to reconsider the very fabric of reality and pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. If time can be reversed in one place, could it happen elsewhere? Could this discovery one day change the way we travel through space, or even through time itself? One thing is certain. The more we explore the cosmos, the stranger and more incredible it becomes. But now we turn the question over to you. If given the chance, would you step foot on a world where time runs in reverse? And what do you think this discovery means for the future of space travel? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cosmic discoveries. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and together we're just getting started.